for that.
I'm sorry.
To apologize for.
Sorry. I betrayed you.
You were in pain. You only did what anyone else would have done. I don't blame you.
Then why did you leave?
Trust. I overstepped my boundaries with the pills, and I used it to make the medicine. I couldn't allow that to happen again.
If I don't get my
It
medicine,
can never happen again.
I wish